Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. In the event that that string came all the way out of your hoodie, in today's video we are going to show you how to put it back in. Let's get started. All right, DIYers at the workstation now. Here is the sweatshirt, and unfortunately it came out of the dryer missing the entire string. For today's project, you're going to need two things: Scotch tape and a safety pin. What I'll do now is change camera angles and begin. Step one, go ahead and untangle the entire string. And on each side, you've got a knot and a plastic sealed tip. And what I'm going to do is grab the safety pin and carefully undo it. And as you can see here, I want to get it as close as the actual plastic tip as I can. Feed it right through and go ahead and secure it. At this point, here's what it looks like. What I'll do next is grab Scotch tape, and I want to tape the tip to the safety clip. With the tape in hand, just carefully apply it to the safety pin and wrap that tip and secure it to the safety pin. This is going to create a much cleaner needle or tip to feed through the sweatshirt. From here, go ahead and grab your sweatshirt, and you've got two holes. It doesn't matter what hole you start in, but what you'll do is just enter it in, and you are going to basically use one hand to continue to push the string in the hole and the other hand to maneuver it through this entire insert that goes around the hoodie. And a little tough portion to get that knot through that hole, but once you get that knot through the hole, it's pretty convenient and friendly. And there it is. As you can see, it has made it through the hole, and all I'm going to do now is carefully feed it with one hand and pull it with the other. And I'm already about 2.5 to 3 inches in. And as you maneuver this through, basically what you can do is treat that safety pin and plastic tip that we just taped as an inchworm. And what I mean by that is pushing it with one thumb forward and pulling it back. Pushing it forward and pulling the hooded sweatshirt portion back. And once you do this, it will go pretty quick. And that inchworm approach or strategy, in my opinion, works extremely good. And I am so close, almost there. Again, that inchworm approach is extremely effective. And here I am at the opposite end. As you can see, just popping out the hole. Carefully pull it from here. And you'll notice as I was inchworming it through, the hoodie portion was bunching up and not much string on the opposite end was entering in. However, from here, all you do is just pull it through and even it out. Next thing I'll do is remove this tape, and what I might have to do is remove it from the safety pin. Set that aside, and as you can see, still have a little bit of tape on it, and just carefully remove that tape. And from here, you can try the sweatshirt on and even out your strings. So as you can see, DIYers, an extremely easy and friendly project. That's what it looks like, the end result. And again, two simple tools: a safety pin, Scotch tape, and a little bit of patience and some inchworm strategy. Hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. And now, it looks brand new. One last thing you can do, and I recommend, is make your knot bigger by adding an additional knot, just like that. That knot is now twice the size and is less likely to go through this hole, whether you're wearing it or sending it through the washer or dryer.